Be bold and beautiful in this fabulous home situated on a prime corner lot in one of the most desired communities, Parkside at Bennetts Creek. Spacious floor plan offering so much room and flexibility for the growing family. Eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and stainless appliances overlooks into the large family room with fireplace. Formal dining room and office study outfits the first floor. Huge master suite west sitting area, walk-in closet, garden tub, double vanities, separate shower. Well-proportioned secondary rooms and extra desk gaming area in the hallway finishes the second floor. Like new home, move-in ready.